Hi everybody, Jeff here from Outseta. This video is going to show you how you can very quickly launch a subscription business or membership site using only Outseta and the website builder Carrd. Carrd is a very simple one-page website builder that's a fantastic tool to use with Outseta. It's great for building MVP type websites and lots of membership sites are using this combination in particular. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is create an Outseta account. So I've created an account here that we're calling carrddemo.outseta.com. And within that account, the first thing you're going to want to do is set up a couple of pricing plans. So if I come over to billing and plans, I've created two plans in this case. You can add a plan just by clicking add a plan. I have a free membership plan with no price, and then I have a premium membership plan that's $20 per month. Once you've created those plans, you want to come over to the auth sign up and login page, and there's some settings on this page that you need to configure. If you're going to sell to teams where multiple people need to share a subscription or membership, you'll use team mode. If you sell to individuals where every individual person has their own subscription or membership, you'll use individual mode. If you have any sort of site that you need people to come back to and log in, you'll leave this send sign up confirmation email option checked. That's going to send the user an email after they subscribe, prompting them to set a password. And then the most important setting on this page is you need to set a post login URL. This is where we'll send members when they successfully log into your site. And in the context of a Carrd site, it's going to have some sort of hash structure rather than a traditional folder structure. So in this case, this is a section of my Carrd web page that I want users to be sent to once they log in successfully. Once you have those settings configured, you can go ahead and click save, and you're ready to jump into Carrd. Here I am within Carrd, and it is important to note that if you're working with Outseta and Carrd, you do need to be on Carrd's Pro subscription. That basically allows you to add embed codes directly into the site, which will enable Outseta's functionality. It's a total of $19 per year, and you can actually spin up to 10 Carrd sites, so it's a great deal, but make sure you are on their Pro subscription. Once you are, you can come over here and click on this sections button. Excuse me, wrong button. You need to click on this plus button. And if you click on embed, you can add an embed code section to your page. I've already done that, and that section now lives down here at the bottom of the page. So if I click on that, it's going to ask me some information about the embed code I want to add to the site. So it's going to be code, first of all. I've identified it as Outseta's quick start script. You don't want this code to show on the page. You want it to be hidden. And we're going to inject a script from Outseta into the head. Once you've set up those settings, you can come over here back in your Outseta account and go to auth embeds. And the script that you'll need to grab is this quick start head script. Just copy it, and you can then paste it into the code section right here and click done. Once you've done that, you've done all the heavy lifting. That is the embed script that enables almost all of Outseta's functionality. When that's finished, you can start working on building the site to your liking, and there's a few buttons that you should add to most Carrd websites. The first is you need a login button, so users can click on this button, log themselves into the site, and see the appropriate content. You're going to want to add a sign up button. When clicked, this is going to open our sign up widget, which allows people to choose from your various subscription or membership options and actually pay you. And I've also added two other buttons. This My Membership button links to our profile widget, which allows the user to manage their own subscriptions. So if they wanted to upgrade or downgrade or cancel, they could click on this button, and then there's a button to log out of this site as well. So all you need to do for each of these buttons, let's choose the sign up button right here, is click on the actual button, and then if you come up here, you need to enter a URL for that button. Those URLs are provided within your Outseta account right down here. So you can easily grab this sign up link and hook that up to your sign up button. That's this URL right here. And you're going to repeat that same process with the login button, with the My Membership button, and with the logout button. So those links are available here. You'll notice that the logout link in particular is just sort of a folder here. It does not have any other URL information or domain information. So what you actually want to do in the context of a Carrd site is copy this. And if you click on that logout button, you can just use the URL of the actual Carrd page. So this site lives at https://outseta.-demo.carrd.co. And then I've just added that little logout link bit to the end of our homepage URL. That will make your logout button work appropriately on your Carrd site. Once you've hooked up all those buttons, you can go ahead and publish your site, and you're going to have a fully functional website. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Here I am on the published site. If I click on the login link, it will open the login widget, which allows me to then log into the site. If I click on sign up, it will, let's reload that. It will open up our sign up widget and allow you to choose from the various membership or subscription options that we've set up. And right now we are not seeing that logout link or the My Membership link. Those are buttons or links that are only accessible to somebody once they have logged in. So if I go ahead and actually log into this site, you'll see that I'm brought to a section of the site that is members only content. This is content that's only accessible to me based on my membership level. But within that section, I can also click on My Membership. This will allow me to edit some information about myself, or more importantly, I can change my membership if I wanted to upgrade, downgrade, or cancel. And then I can also come back here and log out. So that final piece I want to show you is how to set up protected content. So within Outseta, as you'll recall, there's a section of this site that lives under this members only section that is protected. So you can't access this or see any of this content unless you've logged in and if you have the appropriate membership or subscription level. So within Outseta, if I come to Auth Protected Content, I can set up my protected content just by clicking Add Protected Content here. I've already done that. I've called it my members only content. You're going to use the hash that represents the section of your Carrd site. So if you come back here, we have the section that lives at hash members-only. We input that into Outseta, and that lets us know that we want to protect that section of the page. I also added an access denied page, so if somebody did try to come to this section, they wouldn't be able to get there. They would be sent to an access denied section of the page. But the two membership plans that I've added in Outseta, the free membership and the premium membership, both have access to this members only section. Finally, it's worth note that I came to auth, sign up, and login, and I made that page of protected content the members the post login URL. So that's where users go as soon as they log in, and you can only get there if you do successfully log in. So what you'll see is when I go back to the site and I click on login, that's exactly where I'll land. So after I successfully log in, I landed right on that members only section of the page. So that's how you can quickly integrate Carrd and Outseta to launch a subscription or membership business. If you have any questions on this process, please let us know at support@outseta.com. Thanks.